There's the full load, bunch of styrofoam. I'll let you know what I make in a bit. And there it is. They got their supplies. Their scaffolding. And now I could take off and try to get another load. Let's see what happens. So this video was short. It was 59 miles. I got paid 185 gas. Not 50 miles. I don't even know what to say for the gas. It's probably 10 bucks. So minus 10 bucks, and then I split with my partner. So I get 50%. So let's just say 170 divided by 2. $85. I made $85 in 1 hour. Well, thank you guys for being here, watching this short video. I have more videos on my channel. If this is something you're interested in, this is real life. Me learning how to choose loads, how to get the best rates, how to at least get $1 a mile. Sometimes I don't. I'm trying to get more than $1 a mile, and I am brand new. This is my first month doing this. Thank you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, ask me. I'll answer. Catch y'all later. Peace.